Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Children, let's start with our today's morning maths class. If you remember the yesterday's class, yesterday we did fractions, right? We did the different operations in fractions. Today we are going to do fractions only, but this time a quiz on fractions. So I hope you all are ready. If not, please be ready because this is going to be an amazing session wherein you are going to answer the questions, and this is a quiz, and I will be giving you time in this. Like, I'll be putting stopwatch on my phone and will give you time, and you have to solve that question within that time. Okay? So here, let's get started. Okay, children, if you need a pencil or a notebook for this, please go and get it fast so that you can do the calculations. All right, so here, let's move forward. Let's take a quiz. Yesterday we did plus, minus, multiply, and divide in fractions. And how did we do that? It's simple, right? You just have to figure out, like you just have to make the denominator same, and that's it. Okay, so now also you have to do the same thing. Okay, perfect. So here, 13 by 20 plus 2 by 5, 17 by 20 minus 2 by 5, 17 by 20. Okay, so this should be 17. 1 second. Okay, wait, I will make a little bit change in this. Okay, so this is 7. This is, I'll make it as 7. Okay, 7. This is. All right, so let's do it, dear children. So here you can see that the question is 17 by 20 and 2 by 5. These are the two fractions that you have to work on. So 17 by 20 plus 2 by 5, 17 by 20 minus 2 by 5, 17 by 20 times 2 by 5, and 17 by 20 divided by 2 by 5. We just need to make the denominator same. I can see that if I will multiply 5 by 4, I'll get 20 as the denominator. Hence, it will be giving me the same denominator. So 17 by 20 plus 2 times 4 is 8, 5 times 4 is 20. 17 plus 8 is 25 by 20. Right? Same thing for subtraction. The fraction with same denominator is 17 by 20 and 8 by 20. I'll subtract that. 17 minus 8 is 9 by 20. Next one, for times, it's 17 times 2 and 20 times 5. So it is 17 times 2 is, what I have written is 17 times 2 as it is. I did not solve it. And 20, I have written like 20 times 10 times 5 as it is. So 2 cancel, 2 here cancelled, and 17 by 10 times 5 is 50. 17 by 50 is the answer. All right. Okay. Now for division, what do we do for division? It's simple. We just need to divide the numbers. And how do we divide the numbers? Keeping the first number as it is. Keeping the first number as it is. 70, first fraction as it is, like 17 by 20. Keep. The division sign will change into the sign of multiplication. And 2 by 5, we will flip it. Flip as in, we will do the reciprocal. So keeping, changing, and flipping. 2 by 5 will be 5 by 2. 17 times 5, and here 20 times 2. I have written 20 as 4 times 5 times 2. 5 and 5 cancel. 17 by 8 is the answer. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Let me just start with the timer. All right. Okay. So these are the 4 questions. Each question will hardly take 30 seconds. So I'm putting up a timer of 2 minutes for the entire thing. Okay. I'm putting up a timer for 2 minutes and your time starts. Wait, use this time. Okay. So, yup. Your time starts now. 2 minutes. Come on, dear children, you can do it. I hope you're almost done with 2 questions. Be quick, only 45 seconds are left. Be quick. Okay, the time is up. I hope you can hear the beeps. So stop, dear children. Your time is over. Let's get started. Let's see how to do it. Let's see what is your answer. Okay. So here we have 2 by 15 plus 2 by 5. Let's solve it. What I will do is I know if I multiply it by 3, I will get 15 as the denominator. So 2 by 15 plus 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 3 is 15. So 6 plus 2, 8 by 15 is the answer for this. Then I know here I need to multiply it by 5 and here multiplying the denominator by the, like multiply the entire fraction with the other fraction's denominator. So 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 5 is 15, minus 3, 5, 15. 2 by 15, is this what you have got? If yes, then good job. And next one, again, I'm going to multiply this only by 5. 2 by 15 times, oh, sorry, wait, here I don't need to change the denominator. Wait, just a moment. Yeah, so here I will simply multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. And how about I write it like, yeah, 15 times 3 is 45. 8 by 45 is the answer. Now 2 by 5, keeping the fraction, changing the division to multiplication sign, and 3 by 4 will be written as 4 by 3. 2 by 5 times 4 by 3. 2 fours are 8, 5 threes are 15. 8 by 15. If this is your answer, then you are doing great. If not, please check it. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Again, I'll give you 2 minutes for the same. This is your next question, dear children. Please be quick. Your time starts now. Just 40 seconds are left. Twenty seconds more. And the time is up. Stop, dear children. Let's see how you did. Okay, so here I have to make the denominator same. If I'll multiply this by 2, I'll get the same denominator. 10 by 22 plus 3 times 2 is 6, 11 times 2 is 22. 10 plus 6 is 16 by 22. Yeah, 10 plus 6 is 16 by 22. Now 21 by 22 and 5 by 11. Here I'll just multiply it by 2. 21 by 22 minus 10 by 22. Wait. So here 10 by 22. 21 minus 10 is 11 by 22, which can be written as 1 by 2. Multiplication 5 times 4 is 20, 11 times 5 is 55. 6 by 11, division will turn into multiplication. 3 by 4 will be 4 by 3. 6 times 4 is 24. 11 times 3 is 33. These are the correct answers. Okay? And this can further be reduced and written as 8 by 11. This is 20 by 25, which can also be written as 4 by 11. And here 24 by 33. Let's move on to the next question. And here we go. Your time starts now. Fifty-five seconds. Fifteen seconds more. Okay. So the time is up. 10 by 25 plus 1 by 5. Here, if I multiply it by 5, here 10 by 25 plus 1 by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 10 plus 5 is 15 by 25. So it's, you can also write it as 5 times 3 and 5 times 5, which is 3 by 5. Or just 15 by 25 is also right. Here, again, I'm going to multiply it by 5 because I know it is 25. 21 by 25 minus 10 by 25. Okay, so 21 minus 10, that is equal to 14. Okay, wait, sorry, I'm sorry. Here, let's erase it. Yeah, 11 by 25. Now, next, I don't need to make the denominator same here. 1 second. So what will I do? 22 times 3, it's 66. 15 times 10 is 150. 2 by 5 times 25 by 6. So 2 by 5 times 25 by 6. 2 times 25 is 50. 5 times 6 is 30. This is the answer. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. And here we go. And your time starts now. Come on. And let me tell you, 55 seconds are left. Just 30 seconds more. Time is up. Let's see how to do. So here, let's make the denominator same. I'll multiply it by 2 because I'll get 16 then. 11 by 16 plus 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. 11 plus 6 is 17 by 16. Now, 16 times 2 is 32. I know that. 21 by 32 minus 14 by 32. Okay. So here, I'll get 7 by 32. Moving on to the next one, 7 times 3 is 21. And then 96. 12 times 8 is 96. Now 7 by 12 times 9 by 4. 7 times 9 is 63. 12 times 4 is 48. Answer. I hope you got it right. So children, it's very simple. You just have to, see, like, if the denominators are not same, just make them same. If the denominators are same, then you have to then add or subtract or whatever the question has asked you for. That's how you do it. And in multiplication and division, you need not to make the denominator same. You need not to do that. Okay. If they are not same, no worries. You just simply multiply or divide them. You know, to multiply, you do numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. For division, the 3 steps are keep, change, flip. Keeping the first fraction as it is, changing the sign, like the division sign will change into multiplication sign, and then flip the fraction. Flip as it, like, you need to just do the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, so that's how you do it. Just understand this concept and you're good to go. So yes, children, with this, we are done with our today's class. Thank you so much for joining the class. It was a lovely session with you, and I hope you got the right answer. If not, let's work more on it. Practice more. You can watch the previous session recording. You can do the questions by yourself. Please practice as much as you can, right? So thank you so much once again. I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care and have fun. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.